Hello everyone, this is Lucas Dargo. I am wanting to show you how to use Zoom so that you can use this in a variety of different ways, but mainly for recording yourself or recording different presentations and being able to upload that onto YouTube. So you see right here, I have my free account already set up with Zoom.com. So you'll want to go to Zoom.com and download this. But once you have this, you can do different join, you can do a variety of different things. So I'm actually going to start this just like this. So you can see this is a variety of different tools I have. If you are actually trying to invite people to participate, you can do it in a variety of different ways. For example, right here, you can just email people after you've started the call. You can also schedule that as well, and I'll show you how to do that right now, actually. So that'll take that, but you could also schedule a time where you can go on here and kind of configure things how you want to. This is where you schedule when you want to do that. Once you've done that, so if I do it for 3 o'clock today, I send that schedule out. It's going to open up my Outlook Dropbox. Okay. So you have this. Once you have that, it'll actually send the link to our YouTube, or to our Zoom video rather. That right there is our Zoom ID. And so I can invite participants by adding that. And then once that sends it out, it will have that link and it'll automatically send them a calendar invite. We're going to discard that since we're not going to need it right now. We're going to start back up with our video so that you can see what that looks like. And so if I wanted to record something on here, I would just press record. I might want to already share something that's on here, such as a Word document, just a different, variety of different things that you can share on there. But again, I don't typically press record until I already have everything up. So in this case, I press record. And then you could do a voiceover. You could also go back and put this on like a PowerPoint slide. If you are just doing a collaboration with people, then you'll actually have it where people should mute themselves right over here so that people are going to be able to get on here and talk, and then when they're talking, that their screen will be the only one that comes up. So as you're recording that, that'll all whatever you're saying, whatever's on webcam is going to come up. But then you end the video for all. And then you're going to see right here, as soon as you stop with that, it's actually going to download. And so you have this ability to be able to get this MP4. That MP4, I just pull out just like that. And so then I go to YouTube, so right here. Okay, and then I upload this video right here. I make this as unlisted. I upload that video. Desktop, it's right there. And then you just name that whatever you need to. And then once you have that uploaded, it'll give you a URL, a YouTube video. You'll just copy and paste that into Canvas, or you can also put it onto a Word document and save it there. But that's the link you'll need. That'll already take care of everything. If you want to fancy things up and you need to make it look a little bit better, you can also put different things in there. But that's a good, at least basic video for you on how to do that.